Hello from the children of planet Earth.
Right now, at this very moment, a gold-plated copper disc is traveling through the darkness between the stars. It is 15 billion miles from Earth. It has left our solar system entirely. And on its surface, etched into its grooves, is the sound of a mother's first words to her newborn child.
I love you, my baby.
It carries thunder and surf and laughter. It carries Bach and Beethoven and Chuck Berry. This is the Voyager Golden Record and the story of how it came to exist. Assembled in 6 desperate weeks in the summer of 1977, it's one of the most profound creative journeys in human history. There is something in the human soul that has to make things. Not for fame, not for money, sometimes not even for a guaranteed audience. We make things because something inside of us insists that we must, that the act of creation, of compressing what we feel and know and love into something that can outlast us, matters, even when we don't know if anyone will ever find it. Carl Sagan understood this better than almost anyone. In 1977, NASA's Voyager spacecraft were already built, already fueled, designed to photograph Jupiter and Saturn, and then continue outward forever into interstellar space. It was Sagan who asked the question nobody else had thought to ask. If this spacecraft will travel between the stars for 1 billion years, shouldn't we put something on it? NASA said yes, and gave him 6 weeks. Sagan assembled a small team, scientists, artists, a filmmaker, a musician. Their task was staggering in its simplicity and impossible in its scope. Decide what humanity sounds like, what we value, what we want the universe to know about us. They argued, they agonized. They encoded 116 images into audio signals. Photographs of mountains, children, the Great Wall, a mother nursing her baby. They chose music from every corner of the earth. Beethoven, an Aboriginal song, Peruvian panpipes, a Georgian chorus, an Indian raga. And then came the moment that would make the Golden Record something more than a time capsule. A young woman named Anne Druin, who had helped Sagan organize the project, sat down in a library at Bellevue Hospital in New York City and was connected to a machine that recorded her brainwaves. For 1 hour, she meditated. She thought about the sweep of human civilization, about the beauty of the world and its suffering, about what it means to be alive on this small, improbable planet. And she thought about something else. 2 days before, she had received a phone call from Carl Sagan. In that call, quietly, privately, they had fallen in love. Those feelings, wonder, hope, and the first trembling hours of a love that would last the rest of their lives, are now encoded on a disk that will, in all probability, outlast the Earth itself by billions of years. Carl Sagan and Anne Druin later married, and somewhere out there, in the cold silence between the stars, her heartbeat is still traveling. The Voyager spacecraft have now left our solar system, both of them gone. The Golden Record will survive for 1 billion years. It may never be found. There may be no one out there to find it. Carl Sagan knew that. He knew the odds, and he stayed up nights anyway, agonizing over which Bach piece to include, which photographs of a child's face said the right thing about who we are, because he understood what every artist who ever lived has understood in their bones. The making of the thing is the point. You create not because the audience is guaranteed. You create because something in you insists that this moment, this feeling, this life deserves to exist beyond you. Beethoven knew it. Van Gogh knew it. Carl Sagan knew it. He called the Golden Record a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. Maybe that's enough to make the thing, to send it out, to say, we were here.
I love you, my baby.